is Marchita. Today I want to tell you about one fight back series. The title is The New Student. So one day there is a new student. After that, the new student finds the class leader. His name is Mehdi. After that, Mehdi asks that new student to come to teacher room. Then Mehdi takes that new students to the teacher room. But Pahyo, the teacher, says go to the class first. Then at class he introduced himself. Hi, my name is Karisma Setiaputra and I will abolish the bullies in this school. Then Pahyo asked Karis to sit beside Ino. Then Pahyo started the subject and learning. At 9 o'clock, it's break time, so Pahyo says you guys can go to the canteen. Then Karis go to the canteen and only buys one bread. After that, the history class start. Pahyo also tells so many stories at history class. After Pahyo tells so many stories, finally break 2. It starts, but Karis doesn't go to the canteen because he's not hungry. After that, Mehdi, Clara, and Alana come to the Karis table. Hello Karis, we hope you're comfortable to study in this school. Yeah, Karis then say thanks guys, and I think I'm also like this class. After break 2, then Pahyo asks Alana and Clara to observe the school with Karis. Then they go to anywhere that school have. Then this is rooftop, the last place at this school. Then Pahyo come and say thank you to Alana and Clara and also Karis. Then Pahyo ask them to go home because already afternoon. Then at dormitory, he finds JJ. Then JJ says you're a bad student. Then JJ and Karis get fight, but JJ win. Then Karis sees Enoch get blood too, and he asks, "Huh? Why there is blood also?" Enoch only says, "Don't do something weird to JJ." Then Enoch go to his bedroom. Then Karis also comes to his bedroom and takes a medicine to fix that blood. Blood. After that, he sleep. Finish.
So in 3 sentences, how do you conclude the story?
Huh?
In 3 sentences, how do you conclude the story? Can you? 3 sentences only. What was the story about?
So there is a new student at Dirgantara school.
Then the student, okay, the student is another school, and then second.
His dream at Dirgantara school is abolish the bullies in that school.
Okay, and then the last one. Can he achieve his dream or not? No.
But Karis found JJ and they fight. And in another episode also, they also get fight every day.
Okay, so there's no conclusion.
But there's season 3 like ada harapan.
Okay, the next one. Okay, now tell one of the up to you. You can tell about DIY or personal construction.
DIY.
Okay, let's go.
So one day, Helen sitting in the middle of her bedroom.
Helen is sitting
in the middle of her bedroom. She looks dissatisfied with her room. Then Maid, David, and Jane give some suggestion to Helen. Matt suggests to put the hi-fi on the drawer. Then David suggests to put the bed under the window and put the chair in the corner. But Jane says, I think we have to paint her room. After that, Helen agreed to Jalen's suggestion. Then she said she cannot paint her room by herself because she has lunch appointment. So Helen left their friend to paint her room. But when they go to the DIY store, they get lost. Then there's one pedestrian and they ask, "Where's the DIY store?" And the pedestrian say, "Go straight, turn left in roundabout, turn right in ways, and the DIY store is beside the supermarket." In DIY store, David found black color and he gave look to Jane, but Jane says the color is horrible for Helen's bedroom. Then Jane sees a gorgeous blue paint. Then she gave look to her friend, but her friend says, "It's gorgeous, but it is so expensive, and our money is not enough." But then David found a new color again. The color is orange. And Jane and Matt also agreed to buy it because it's expensive and it's gorgeous in their eyes. So they buy it and also buy the brush for paint. At home, they paint the Helen's bedroom. Then after the break time, Helen's already go to home too. So Jane hide the brush because there's an orange color in there and says, "Your new bedroom is done." But before Helen go to her room, she says to David, "His clothes is horrible." Then when she opened the room, she screamed because the bedroom is so horrible and not good for her. I think that's all and DIY store. Thank you.
Okay, so from the story, which part do you like the most and why?
When Helen gets screamed.
Why?
Because in that part, I think it's funny part and I love it.
Which part do you don't like?
When David take the black color.
Okay.
Definitely.
Alright.
Are you sure?
Okay, so from any color that they pick, which one do you like? Blue, black, and also orange one. Which one?
I like the orange one, but it's number 2. But the number 1 is the blue one, but it is expensive, so they don't buy it.
Oh, okay. If you, that's on you, not that's on them. Which color do you want to buy? Let's say you are there.
Light blue, like
Blue. Why?
because it's suitable with my bedroom and it's good.
Okay. And then what do you think about Helen's reaction?
I think she really shocked because she really horrible with orange color. I think
So he doesn't like.
she doesn't like with orange color, so she get shocked.
Okay, who mistake is that? Is that Helen's mistake or their mistake?
It's Helen's mistake
Why?
because Helen only left their friend to buy the paint, and she doesn't say what what her favorite color and what she doesn't like that color.
So if you were Helen, what should you do if your friend already helped you, even though the color is not the one that you want?
I say thank you, but I'm also say sorry because I don't say my favorite color clearly.
Then, what's the name among the three? Thanks.
I think that's all. Thank you, Miss.